Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how are we going to traverse a singly linked list. So we have a singly linked list and we need to traverse it. Traversing means we simply have to visit each node and we have to print the content or value of each node. Okay. So for example, the output after traversing that we will get will be 10, 20, 30 and 40 for the above given linked list. So how are we going to perform traversing operation on it? So we know that for traversing we need a pointer such that it will be pointing towards every nodes. Okay, one by one it should point. So we cannot make use of head because head should point to the first node only. So what we will do is we will make another pointer. We can name anything like current. So our current will initially be pointing to the head node, and then what we will do is we will traverse and we will move the current every time. In every iteration we will move current ahead and we will simply print the node value for each node. Similarly, current will move to this node and then we will print 30, and then similarly current will then move here and it will print 40. Now when we have to stop, when do we have to stop our traversing? So whenever we get our currents next as null, at that point of time we have to stop our traversing. So you can see that here the next node for this node is null. That is why we will stop our traversing here. So let's see the function for this. So we have this function called as void println, and it is taking node head. So initially what we have done is we have created a current node and then we are pointing it or initializing it with head, and we have written a while condition where current is until and unless current is not equals to null, till then we will traverse. That is, first of all what we will do is we will simply print our data and then we will do currents next, that is moving the current node to the next. Okay, so let's see how it will be. Let's traverse this code. So initially our current is pointing to head. Current equals to head means current is here. Now while current is not equals to null, so at this point of time current is not null, current is 10. So what we will do is we will print current's data. So 10 will be printed, then we will move next, current equals current's next. So we will come, current will come here. Then again it will check current is not equals to null. Yes, current is not equals to null. So what it will do is it will print data again. So 20 will be printed and again it will do current equals to current next. So current will now come here. Again it will check current is not equals to null. Yes, this is true. So it will print data first and then will move current here. Okay, now again it will check current is not equals to null. Yes, it is true. So it will print current's data and then will move current equals to current's next. Now when it will move currents to current next, it will point to null. Okay, so while we check this condition again, current is not equals to null, this condition is false, and then we will come out of this loop and simply we will give our answer, which is the output that we have got, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this was all about traversing a linked list. Thanks for watching.